2025, new year, new me. It's time for a change.
So guys, this is the studio and honestly it came out great. Now I'm gonna take you on what it took to actually get this entire thing, because if you guys see what I was at before with these trash foams on the wall, you'll know why I wanted to upgrade. So I'm super grateful for the opportunity that was presented to me. Shout out my boy Pope, shout out TRW. So yeah guys, this is gonna be the process on how I got this. So the first step was demolition. So I had to take off these foams that I bought a long time ago. They were like 50 bucks on Amazon and it came with 50 of them, but they were cut uneven. They just didn't really work or align. And I used some plaster so you guys can see it literally just stayed on my wall. And at this time we were already making some Amazon orders. Now I spent literally over $3,000 on this entire studio. With the camera it was a lot more, and I already had one light, I already had a mic, I already had some other mics as well, and I already had some decent stuff like my play button, which I use as my decoration, and a quarter vending machine that I'm gonna use in the background. At least that's what I had in my mind, because I started selling snacks, and all this is attributed to selling snacks because that's where I started. So I wanted to resemble something that was me but also look super G. So yeah guys, I'm gonna finish taking off these foams and we got a few packages that are gonna arrive real soon.
All right, guys, so we got some packages. Now we got the desk, we got the bookshelf, we even have a little dresser. So I'm gonna build the desk right now. You guys are gonna see a little time lapse in a minute. And tomorrow we have even more stuff coming, and then later in the week, that's when everything else is coming. So I'm super excited, man. The studio is gonna be crazy. Now I'm not too sure where I'm gonna put everything. I have a light right here and another light is coming and it's gonna be right there. The desk, I'm pretty sure is gonna be like kind of where you guys are, and the camera's way back there. So I want that bokeh. If you know what bokeh is, it's that blur in the background. So we're gonna see, man. I'm super excited. I can't wait. So let's get it building, man. All right, guys, you can see we got the standing up desk now. But yeah, guys, standing up desk, it's pretty cool. It goes up a little high. It goes like 45 inches off the ground. It's crazy. It's wide, bro. I wanted a wide desk, and this is why I got this one, because it was very wide. Now, happy with it. So we need to take that desk where the tripod's on right now, take that one out, man, and build the bookshelf. So let's get it.
City boy with a country swing. First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight. I'm like an acrobat.
How am I looking, guys? Not gonna lie, literally only two things: the desk and the shelf. I already had the light, I already had the backlight. Yeah, man, honestly, it's looking crazy. It's getting me excited. I already look way more professional. And yeah, I guess it just took a desk, a shelf, a higher shelf, because I had stuff, but it was like too low, so it looked like my background was playing. Yeah, man. The panels should be coming like literally any minute now. The wall's about to look crispy, crazy. Tomorrow, lights. Actually, let's check right now. Let's see what's coming. So arriving today, the panels, the wall panels. So the wall's gonna change. Arriving tomorrow, the diffuser for the light. Also, the gimbal, the light. So I'm gonna have two lights. I have one right here, but I'm gonna have another one. An ND filter, a SD card for the camera, XLR cables for the mic. And then on Tuesday, I'm getting another light, a teleprompter, and a tripod stand. So dang, guys. It's literally everything. Tomorrow's gonna be a crazy day. Yo, I'm excited, man. Let's get it, bro. One stop away. The truck is literally on the way. I see it on the map. All right, guys, so this is just a little bit of the packages. Now, the wall panels are not counted. So I was like, what? We got a few boxes here. We're gonna open these first. Yo, this is crazy. Last package. I don't even know what this is. It's probably the light. The light, so there's a light attachment. So yeah, man, now I'm gonna stack up everything and we'll see what everything looks like, man. So give me a minute, guys, to put everything up on the desk. I bet, guys, this is everything. This is crazy, man. Now, I almost lost this, bro. These little SD cards. This little thing is 300 bucks. 400 even, I don't remember how much. But yeah, what do we open first? I almost forgot the mic arm. Let's open the mic arm first, okay? Oh my gosh, this is tough. Oh, what the? It just exploded, bro. Let's open the light next. Now, guys, this is my second light, the aperture. Light. Let's open this. I'm excited for this. This is like probably my most favorite thing out of the whole box. This is crazy, bro. How do I do this, guys? Yo, this is crazy, bro. Let's unbox the DJI RS4. This is crazy, bro. I can't not wait to use this tomorrow. Oh yeah, we're getting official now. Freaking clean, bruh. So guys, the wall panels didn't come. I don't know what's wrong. You can see we got the camera, everything set up. This is the whole setup. Super G. No wall panels, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, you can see everything we got. So I'm super excited. I can't wait for tomorrow. Let's get to it, man. I bet guys, I got another package. Now, excited for this one. Let's pop it open. This box looks a little beat up, guys. I'm not even gonna cap. Zayo, cuz. This is tough, bro. Zippers just flow, man. Oh, hold on. We'll open it right now, guys. Let me put all this stuff away first. Got another tripod. You'll see it right now, though. Open it up for the other light, because we got the lights. We got 2 lights now. A professional 3-point lighting system. Last thing. Teleprompter, guys. I bet, guys. Let's open the light first. I'm excited for that. Oh my gosh. This is so tough, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's like a lightsaber, bro. Yo, this thing is bright, cuz. This thing is bright, bro. Yo, nah, this is crazy tough, bro. Nah, this is tough, bro. I really like this. Next item, guys. We're just gonna open this tripod just because we need it right now. I already have one of these. I really like these small rig tripods. They work very well. They hold the big old lights that I have, so it's perfect for me. And I even have big diffusers. Next item, teleprompter. I'm excited for this one. Now you guys gonna be like, oh, you're gonna script videos, this and that. No, I'm not. It's gonna help me improve on the videos. Because there's points that I don't wanna miss. I don't like scripting videos. I like speaking from the heart, from the bottom of my heart. The Rickso is not scripted. Here it is. I bet, now let's set this up. Let's open the teleprompter. Mount camera here. This is all plastic. Kind of a lot of dollars. I wish this wasn't plastic. It's crazy, guys. I bet, guys, I got it attached right here. So now let's open and see what the box does. I bet, guys, you can see I got the teleprompter right here. Now it says that if using this camera, you're not supposed to use it with the tripod, but I feel like it's gonna weigh down my lens, bro, so I can't have that. So I put the tripod underneath and also got my regular tripod for my camera. This is setup, guys. What you guys think? Is it tough? I think it's pretty tough. Yeah, guys, finally got the panels. It was in a big old truck. I'll play it right now. As you can see, look how big that truck was. And these panels are not heavy. They're just long. And my room's a mess. I got a bunch of stuff all over. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna use, how I'm gonna utilize everything, and just continue doing it, man. So yeah, new studio. Crazy. But guys, so we at Home Depot right now. So we need a skill saw. We already have a skill saw, but we need a blade. Well, you need a skill saw to cut it, no?
We have a skill saw.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
You just said we need a skill saw.
You need a skill saw. If you're gonna do this, you need a skill saw.
Oh, the job.
Yes. So you need a skill saw. I don't know what he's talking about, but we already have one. So we're just getting the blade. We're gonna get a brand new blade just so we can have that fine cut. And we're gonna get one. So I'll show you.
Please, that's a nice one. That's good color. Yeah, it is. Thank you.
I bet, guys. So this one, it's a little more finer if you can see it. So it's not gonna make a big mess. That's what the big headphone said. I bet, guys, so we got the blade. We're gonna go home and we're gonna prep the room and we're gonna start putting them up. So let's get it, man. I'm excited. I bet, guys, skill saw. Let me get the blade.
Remember how this works. This one needs to be longer. These are small.
So what's different? You just got a longer tool.
Leverage. The longer it is, the more leverage you got. It's easier to do things. Just like a bolt from a truck. Taking off the lug nut, better to have leverage if you can't knock it out.
You just knocked it off, guys. So that's the way it's gonna spin, right? All right, bet, guys. So now you just put on the little washers and then you put on the little screws. Same process. All right, guys.
You gotta get an extension cord, plug it in the wall, plug it here, get your table, measure, cut, there.
I bet, guys, so we got the first 2 wall panels up, but it's already 10 some in the nighttime, so we can't cut with the skill saw. It makes a lot of noise. But you can see we got the first 2 ones up. It's good progress. We're gonna have to go a little more that way, and we're probably gonna pause it because we have an outlet right there. You guys can see that, the outlet right there. And over there we have the light and the outlet at the bottom. I don't know why that outlet is up like that. It doesn't make no sense, but whatever. So we're gonna go this way, all the way over there with all the panels, and this one all the way right here with the panels. So yeah, we'll try to finish it as much as we can tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be done tomorrow. So let's get it, man. All right, guys, so we're gonna chop more of the panels and we're gonna put them on lane. I didn't record this, but I measured the length of one panel and I got the measuring tape and I went one by one and counted how many panels I'm gonna need to cover the entire wall. Now you guys remember the power outlets and the light switch, right? So on the right side of the wall, it's 10 panels across, 11 counting the one we already put. And on the other one, the left side of the wall, it's 5 panels. Minus the one we already put, it's 4. So right now we're gonna chop it. You can see I got this because I don't want to breathe in no microplastics. And let's get chopping, bro. Alright, guys, you guys can see it's looking crazy already, man. We still need to do a bunch more walls, these 2 packages, and we're gonna take them outside. We're gonna leave them on the tables and we're gonna cut them a little later. I have to go to the gym, I'm gonna work out, and then I gotta shower, and then I gotta get ready. I gotta go to another event, guys. But overall, rate how it looks, bro. It's looking crazy already, bro. Oh my gosh. So if I zoom in, you can't even tell, bro. This is crazy. I'm hyped, man. I'm hyped. I'm excited, man. See y'all when I finish putting up the walls. Hey guys, I got the last packages. Now this is some more tripods. I got 2. I think it might have been overkill. 1 and 2. Let's go. This. Don't ever do this, guys. I don't know where my knife is. And when you're cutting something, cut away from you. Never directly to you. So just in case if it sticks, you won't stab yourself. Alright, so I got some USB Type-C cables. Let's go. This what I needed. This came in a smaller box than anticipated. This one is gonna go in the back right there. We still have to mount some more of the things, the wall panels. Okay, crazy, bro. So perfect, exactly what I needed. I'm gonna put it back there. Watch, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Yo, I got that in the corner, bro. Extra tripods. See what we can do with them, man. But yeah, I got it. So I bet, guys, so we're gonna cut the last boards and we're gonna get to work. So run the time lapse. Alright, guys, so we're gonna finish putting up the walls. You can see I got the ladder. I got all the rest of the chopped walls. We're gonna redo this wall, and all the way here. This outlet, bro. This outlet gets me angry. Why is it so high? Let's get to work, bro. Let's get to work. Tired of yapping. Let's go, man. I bet, guys, so this is the studio, and honestly, I'm super happy. You're probably like, oh, Rico, what did you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? Well, guys, wall panels, boom, all around. You guys remember those black foam panels that I got when I was like 16 years old? They're right here in the corner. I got a new desk. Look at this G desk. It's a rise up desk. It's not plugged in. Now, so I'll rise it up and show y'all. And then we got this shelf. Okay, expensive, bro. It's like 70, 80 bucks for a shelf, bro. Like, what the? So we got books I've never read. We got Fireblood. We got my silver play button. OG camera. Some stuff my dad got me and my Theo got me. Prime, just Prime. I make videos in Prime, so I'm gonna drink those. I still need to drink those. I put them there so I can realize to drink them. And in the bottom, that's my YouTube letter. I adopted a shark, and we have a light right there. We have my vending machine that I bought. I never put at a location, but it's just more of like a signature. This is like a $300 decoration, bro. And then we have a light right there that my Theo got me. We got this microphone that my cousin got me for graduation, and then the microphone stand. We have a light right there. We have the diffuser right here, and then we have a big old lantern bulb right there, lighting the whole background. And then my window's open. You guys can't see it out of screen, but this is my phone, and it has a monitor app, so I can control my camera, and then my MacBook. But yeah, guys, overall, that's the whole studio. I'm still messing with all the lights, configuring everything, making sure to find what's the most optimal and best setup that I could record in. Now I'm gonna do a bunch of sit-down videos, a bunch of advice videos, just thinking back to little Rico, little 16-year-old Rico, even little 12-year-old Rico that was really starting to sell snacks in school. If I could help out him, which in correlation will help many of you, because you're in that exact situation, you may not know what you want to do with your life. But guys, focus up, lock in, be the best year, 2025. We're here to crush, and we're here to smash it. So yeah, I appreciate you for watching. It's time to elevate. So let's get to work.